Who is a Plato's user? A Plato's user is someone who is watching content actively or passively, and somebody who's producing this repository of images or videos or films or pictures or texts. And a Plato's user is someone who can choose to be aware of what is being consumed and how it is being consumed, and how to deconstruct and construct to evoke in their audience the kind of communication or responses that they are hoping to achieve. So the studio is an interdisciplinary approach by exploring how fragmentary storytelling using photography, video, and interactive tools can redefine communication. Students began by deconstructing narratives into modular components. Instead of linear sequences, they experimented with how different media shape meaning. For example, how does a photograph preserve a single moment? How does a video manipulate time? And how can interactive design turn audiences into participants? One of the techniques explored also was photogrammetry, a process where dozens of overlapping photographs are converted into 3D digital models. This allowed physical spaces, a room, an object, a landscape, into being constructed digitally, blending photography stillness with the interactive of virtual exploration. Guided by instructors along with Anushka Trivedi, Jazer Chand, and Rishikesh Wagali, students use tools like creative coding from P5JS and gesture-based sensors like Touch Designer, and many other tools like MediaPipe, Kinect Sensor to build hybrid projects. For instance, photo essay might layer 3D scans, letting viewers navigate spaces with hand gesture, or a video installation that could shift its narrative on where the audience are present in a room. The studio's outcome emphasized audience's agency. In one project, viewers were physically rearranged digital story fragments using motion controls. In another, the game responded to a real-time inputs, altering its plots based on collective choices. These experiments revealed how mediums influence one another, like how a video's motion disrupts a photograph's fixed perspective. So the studio challenged the traditional boundaries between creator and audience, between documentation and interaction, much like Plato's allegory of cave. It asked a critical question that one lingers after, or one hopes to linger, or one hopes that it lingers after the projects are complete. When stories are built collaboratively through fragments of pictures, videos, and code, who holds the power to shape what we see and how we see it? So along with this, as an added bonus, we have also made a music album as part of the studio outcomes. So you can scan to have a listen.